bathroom. I'm filming a YouTube video. What do you want to do? Let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop. I'm filming a YouTube video. What are you doing?
All right now.
Let me hop on.
Want to drive?
Yeah.
My fault, Dexter. Okay, you gonna have to hit. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get on the back, Dexter? Yeah. And then I'm gonna plug out. Look, it's hard to turn, so I'm gonna plug it up. Okay? Hold on to him, Dexter. Hold on to his neck. Hold on.